Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Quinn. I'm here with Wilson, and we have great news about my new baking book. It has everything you've been asking me for, and today is a sneak peek at it. Can you guess who's on the back cover? This is the photo we chose, and Wilson is thrilled. And don't worry about my other kitchen helper, Penny Pup. She's in the book too. We also chose a title, Nancy Quinn's Kitchen, Quick and Easy Sweets and Treats. It has the very best of my original recipes in larger than normal print to make it easier to read. A few heartwarming memories, and some fascinating food facts, all written with my trademark sense of humor. Wait until you see the full-page color photographs inside. It's all coming very soon in both print and ebook format. I hope you have enjoyed this sneak peek into Nancy Quinn's kitchen. So for now, I'll say goodbye.